beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Today I will be unboxing my FabFitFun Winter Box 2021, and here is my box in question. I did get to customize all of the products that I have in my box because I am an annual member, which means I pay once a year and I get top choice in selections and get first in line at the sales. So if you're not familiar, you might want to get this box for yourself. This is a lifestyle box. It has a variety of different products inside. Feel free to check it out. You can go to FabFitFun if you're not familiar and see what they're offering. They do always offer a first time box at a discount rate. This is my winter 2021 box that we're about to get right into. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. I do post weekly. I do unbox different subscriptions like BoxyCharm, FabFitFun. So this is the smallest one I've ever gotten, guys, but it's because of what I selected, which was all small stuff. So when you open it up, this is your sneak peek of what you will see when you first get your box. And FabFitFun always has some kind of coupons. Like I said, if you have never gotten a FabFitFun box, they do have these coupon codes where you can get like $15 off. This is a quarterly subscription that you receive every quarter. So they try to customize it for every quarter and give you a bunch of options to choose from if you are an annual member. We also always get a lovely little magazine with information in it about your products and how to use them. And we're going to get rid of this. And there's always some kind of advertising or something in here. Look at all this stuff that came in here. This is what we got after all of that is done. So the first product that I'm pulling out, guys, and again, I selected and customized my entire box. So everything in here is stuff that I chose. The first product I got, look how this came, is a Sunday Riley product. I love Sunday Riley products. If you have not used them, you need to try them. They are awesome. The subscription boxes is the best way to get them cheap is all I can tell you, or if you can catch a Black Friday sale and get some kind of discount on the actual website. But I have the high dose retinoid serum. As you guys know, I'm a woman that's over 40, so you know I need the retinoid to help me keep looking great, and this helps turn your skin cells over quicker. And I've never used this particular Sunday Riley product, so I am looking forward to trying this out on my skin and see how it performs. And some basic information on here says it's an advanced strength of retinoid serum. It delivers a 6.5 solution of stabilization of stabilized retinoid blends and botanicals retinoid alternative extracts into the skin. So this is a retinoid alternative, which is great. The serum fights the signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin, which is great. And I can't wait to try this one out. So this is awesome for me. And we'll move to our next one. So the next product I have is Briogeo Scalp Renewal. This is a charcoal and tea tree scalp serum. And in the winter, I generally do have like a dry scalp issue, so I figured this will help me. This is a scalp treatment formulated with a unique complex of tea tree oil, biotin, pentothal, and witch hazel to help soothe a dry, flaky scalp and restore hydration. And I think that is exactly what I need right now. So with the weather getting colder, I can't wait to use this. I picked this, and this is one of the ones I selected, so I can't wait to use this. I have used the brand before. I've used their leave-in conditioner, and I really liked it, so I'm sure I probably will enjoy using this product as well. And we're going to go on to the next thing in my box. What's in my box? What's in my box? Ooh. So I got the Glamnetic lashes. I've heard so much about these Glamnetic lashes. These are the ones with the little magnets in it, and it's supposed to, like, the eyeliner goes on, and then it's supposed to help you be able to like have the lashes stick on better. And I figured for me, being a newbie with lashes and still trying to find my way to figure out how to use them, this product will probably be actually great for me to try out. So I do have the Glamnetic lashes. Does it say which one this is called. Virgo. Virgo is what's on here. So I can't wait to try this product out. This works for me perfectly. So that's what I have. And if any of you guys have used this Glamnetic product before, hit me up in the comments and let me know how this really worked out for you and if you actually like these. So this is my first time going to be trying these out. So I'm going to go up to my next product. The next thing I'm pulling out my box is a Dr. Brandt product. This is the collagen serum. On my phone, I did look this up. This has a $60 value, this Dr. Brandt product, and it says this is a collagen serum. It's infused with a blend of key amino acids to help preserve collagen levels of glowing skin. This is a peptide-rich formula that also increases the skin's resilience and elasticity over time. So this is a 1 ounce bottle of the product here. And again, it has a value of 60 bucks, which is quite surprising for this little vial, but okay, I'll try it out. I need all the help I can get. I'm over 40, so I need all the help. So we'll move on to our next product. And the next one I have, this is Summer Fridays, and this is a CC serum. Okay. I have not used this brand before. This one is a new one to me. So guys, this is not one that I actually picked out. This is one that FabFitFun picked out for me. They do have certain things that they pick out for you. This is one of those products. So now this product, what it does is it says add that brightening serum to your morning routine for a glowing copy me complexion, featuring 2 forms of vitamin C and a smoothing squalane. This multitasking serum can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation while evening the skin tone. So I think that's great to try out. I'm not familiar with this brand, which is called Summer Fridays. So this will be my first time using this product and being familiar with this product line. So it is something I can't wait to try out. Always looking for something to fight the acne spots. So I'm hoping this will also help, as well as smooth out some of those imperfections in our skin with having dark spots and stuff and uneven skin tone in certain places. So I can't wait to try this one out. And our next product, and the last product that I have out of my box, guys, is the frother. So this is the Ipare milk frother. I did select this because I have a milk frother and then I lost one of the pieces that go to the frother, so it can't froth without the piece. So I just picked this one up. This has a $24.95 value, and this was one of my choice selections. And let's just take it out of here so I can show you guys. And guys, it does come with batteries, which is awesome. Most of the time you get stuff that has no batteries and you have to go find some to go use it. But this is what it looks like. I can't wait to give this one a try. I could be making like my own little fake Starbucks at home all winter. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. So guys, I don't know what you guys got in your box, but I'm pretty satisfied with what I have in my box. We all know I'm a big skincare junkie, so me getting skincare stuff is like my normal. So I'm pretty satisfied with my options and choices of what I do have in my box, and I'm pretty happy with those. If you guys got something different, or you know, let me know what you guys got in your box. What came in your FabFitFun box? Did you like it this month? Hey guys, so thanks for staying with me on this video here. I just wanted to pop in and show you my add-ons that I got in my FabFitFun box really quick. I did get a mystery bag that cost $27.99, and it was kind of small. I was going to do a separate video, but it was so small it really isn't worth it. And I'll show you one of my other add-on products that I got as well. So let's get started with that. My first add-on here, I did get a palette organizer. Now, with having these subscription boxes, I do have quite a collection of eyeshadow palettes at this point. So I did need something for storage. So I do have quite a collection. So I did pick this up, and this is the Sorbus palette organizer. And I'm going to pop it out so I can show it to you guys. And I thought this this was great because I can put various size palettes in here and kind of double stack some of my smaller ones as well and take advantage of most of the space in here. So I thought that was uber great for me to use, and it's something I can get a lot of good use out of. So that is dope. I think I paid $19 for this. Was it 19? Maybe it was 19. This was $19 for the Sorbus palette organizer. I also got the mystery bag for $29.99. I believe it was $29.99. So this is the mystery bag that I got sent. And I always order these because sometimes I get really great stuff. So let's get in here and see what we have. So as you can see through the packaging, it looks like we have a water cup. Let's pull this one out. And it has a bunch of little pretty flowers on it and a straw. And what size one is this one? Does it say? Does not say. It says BPA free. And oh, it's a 20 ounce. So it's a 20 ounce bando. And on the front it has sip, sip, sip. Very cute. Very cute. For this. I think that's a cute one. However, I do get lots of these. And I do mean lots. And I generally just give them away because I have too many of them. The next thing I have the Christophe Robin shampoo. So this is for fine color treated or natural hair. I have seen this before. I've never used this product before. So I like to try out different shampoos and whatnot. So hopefully this is a good one for me. So this is supposed to it's created for delicate hair care products to protect color, nourish the hair fiber while providing body volume without drying the hair out. An innovative gel-like formula of this shampoo enriched with rose water and extracts of fortifier. So these are the sunglasses. I think that's great. Lucky brand. I've never seen that in here before, but they've been adding so many different brands in here. Let's see what these look like on me. You know, I like my sunglasses. I'm a sunglass person. What y'all think? I don't know. I think it works. I think these will work for me though. I think they'll work. So sunglasses, always need these because I always lose them or they break, which is why I refuse to spend money on sunglasses, because one or the other happens. But I think that was dope. So we got sunglasses and we got one more thing in here. Looks like a hat of some sort. So guys, we got look like a rain hat, like the bucket hat. So this is by Isaac Marahi, New York. And does it say what kind of hat it is? Not really. Doesn't really say. It has the leopard print, and it's like it's not leather, but it feels, I guess, like maybe faux leather or something with the leopard print on it. Me myself, I'm not much of a hat person, so this I can't really get any use out of. So that was my mystery bag, guys, and my add-ons. Let me know what you think about this mystery bag. I don't know, I wasn't really feeling this one too much. I did like the sunglasses. Is probably the favorite thing that I have out of the mystery bag. I can use shampoo, but these two other things are probably things that I'll give away. So maybe it'll be somebody's Christmas present since I can't make any use out of it. But let me know what you guys thought about this mystery bag. And this one was $29. I didn't think it was anything impressive. We got 4 products. I've gotten some other ones before in the past where I've gotten really great things. But this one, you never know. It's a mystery bundle. You never know what you're going to get. So not that impressed with this one. Hit me up in the comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this mystery bag and my add-ons. All right.